Welcome to 77 Cars, your ultimate destination for in-depth car reviews, modifications, and the latest updates in the automotive world. Today, we dive deep into the modern modified 2025 Nissan Qashqai, exploring every component that makes this crossover a true standout. The 2025 Nissan Qashqai comes with a refreshed design, featuring a sleek aerodynamic body kit that enhances both aesthetics and performance. The revised front grille, now larger and more aggressive, is flanked by redesigned LED matrix headlights with adaptive high beam technology. The bumper has been sculpted to include larger air intakes, improving cooling and efficiency. The side profile boasts custom 20-inch alloy wheels, wrapped in low-profile, high-performance tires, while the widened fenders add a sporty stance. At the rear, a twin exhaust system paired with a new carbon fiber diffuser enhances the SUV's sporty appeal. Under the hood, the 2025 Qashqai is equipped with an upgraded 1.5-litre mild hybrid turbocharged engine, delivering an impressive 200 horsepower and 320 Nm of torque. The improved e-power system ensures a smooth hybrid experience, where the petrol engine acts solely as a generator for the electric motor. This results in better fuel efficiency and instant torque delivery. The CVT transmission has been fine-tuned for sharper throttle response, while an optional all-wheel drive system provides enhanced grip in all conditions. Inside, the modifications continue with a luxurious Alcantara and leather interior, offering both comfort and sportiness. The 12.3-inch digital driver's display is now more customizable, showing real-time performance stats. The center console houses a 15-inch infotainment touchscreen, integrated with Nissan's latest ProPILOT Assist 2.0, supporting hands-free driving on highways. A premium Bose 12-speaker sound system ensures an immersive audio experience, while ambient lighting allows for customizable cabin moods. The seats, featuring memory and massage functions, offer the perfect blend of luxury and practicality. The suspension setup has been reworked, with adaptive dampers that adjust to driving conditions, providing a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness. A performance brake kit with red-painted calipers ensures superior stopping power, essential for high-speed maneuvers. Advanced safety features, including 360-degree cameras, blind spot monitoring, lane keeping assist, and emergency braking, make this modified Qashqai a benchmark in its class. With its stunning modifications, enhanced performance, and state-of-the-art technology, the 2025 Nissan Qashqai redefines what a crossover can be. Stay tuned to 77 Cars for more exclusive reviews and in-depth automotive content. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for the latest updates in the car world.